Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a great option for anyone starting their musical journey. The VENEKA Beginner's Electronic Keyboard. This 61-key model is designed specifically for new players, aiming to make learning accessible and fun. One of its best features is the flexible, folding design. This makes it incredibly portable and easy for students or anyone on the go to carry and store. Despite being foldable, VENEKA uses professional components, ensuring good quality and reliable performance. The 61 keys provide a standard range for beginners to get comfortable with. Beyond the keys, it includes electronic pad drums, a fun way to add rhythm. You also get a good variety of sounds, 5 folk, 23 synth, and 6 percussion sounds, keeping practice interesting. Controlling the keyboard is straightforward with single key and direct function selection. Rhythm control includes sync and start-stop, helping with timing. The recording feature is useful for tracking progress. This keyboard is built to help beginners learn music knowledge, develop rhythm, and master basic skills. It's intuitive and encouraging. If you need a portable, feature-rich, beginner-friendly keyboard with quality components and a flexible design, the VENEKA 61-key folding keyboard is definitely worth considering. It's an excellent starting point for any aspiring musician.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.